Yo, what's up mga treasure? Detailed evaluation tayo ng nakuha nating Funko keychain with signature ni Manny Pacman Pacquiao. So, naka-display na siya ngayon pero I will open it up. Well, not totally the box but the acrylic protector para i-evaluate natin kung ano yung quality nung nakuha natin dun sa swap meet natin nung isang araw. So, let's go and let's see what is the quality of this item that we got. Quality check of the items that we got from the swap meet. So technically I have two items that I got from the trade. So the first is this picture of authentication. So here's Senator Manny Pacman Pacquiao signing the Funko keychain, and also of course the Funko keychain itself with signature. So nakuha ko tong item na to from our co-collector, si Sir JP. So shoutout to you, sir. Napaka-smooth ng transaction and napaka-accommodating. Makwento rin siya and also very helpful. So hope we got another transaction in the future. Pero going back guys, so eto yung picture na kasama nung Funko keychain, and it is taken around 2015 according to Sir JP. So pinipirmahan dito ni Manny yung kanyang Funko keychain. So now the Funko keychain itself, as you can see, hindi na talaga ganun kaganda yung box quality kung titignan. And this Funko keychain is way back daw 2015 then, of course, together with the picture. So yung box quality niya, as I said nung nakaraang video natin, around minimum of 7 to at least 8, something like that. But yeah, I still stand corrected. Ganun pa rin yung aking assessment. So based on the edges here and the damage below, yan, so kita nyo naman kung ano na yung quality niya. The box is also not that quite good. The upper part, medyo hindi na siya nasasarado ng maayos. Pero what we're after is, first of course, the Funko keychain, kasi in the market it's already no longer easily available. So mahirap na talagang hanapin tong mga Manny Pacquiao items or Funko, even the Funko keychain, plus of course yung signature niya na nandito. So ayan yung pirma niya, buo pa naman. So yan talaga yung hinahabol natin kasi let's be realistic, if you're a collector and then you saw between item with a damaged box versus a box like this na may edges damage na, or well, to simply put it, may damage na yung box pero may signature and buo pa yung signature. I don't know if it is just me, but I think I will still go with the signed authentic item. So again, hindi na ganun kaganda yung quality ng box, pero the Funko inside is still intact and walang damage yung keychain, pero yung pirma buong buo pa rin. So basically, it's not about the box but the signature. Yun yung nangyari dito sa trade natin, and for me, yun naman talaga yung hinahabol ko nung simula pa lang. Makuha ko yung pirma, not the item or the Funko inside, and also not the box but the authentic signature na nasa item. So may mga iba rin tayo ditong signed items, and some of them are like this, yung mga basketball cards natin. Yan, Marshall Lassiter and the rookie na bago, si Kai Jimenez. And if you will look there, yan, si Jose Marichan na Funko Pop, meron din tayong signed niya. And etong nasa harap, signed yan ng voice actor ni Son Goku here in the Philippines. So I'm really fascinating with signed items. That is why I agreed for a trade for this Manny Funko keychain kapalit nung apat nating cards. As I recall, 2 Wemby rookie cards, 1 KD Golden State tri-patch, numbered yun, and yung Moses Moody rookie card na numbered din. So fair trade for me, pero I don't know if other collectors will agree based on the quality of this damage box. But again, NBA cards versus the trade for Manny Pacquiao signed Funko keychain, for me it's fine. It's decent. Okay. So just comment down below if you agree with me, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.
Manny Pacquiao!